Greetings everyone. In this video I'm going to be installing hood struts on my 2025 Toyota Tacoma. I've been looking forward to this upgrade so I don't have to use the hood prop anymore. I'll run you through it and at the end let you know what I think and give you a discount code if you want a set of your own. Let's see how it goes. And the upper brackets look just like this. It sits right there flush. This is made to fit in there perfectly. Just thread this right back in. Now these upper brackets are different. There is a left or driver's side and then a right or passenger side. The bracket's solid, sits right here. The angled section is toward the front of the vehicle. The more flat or straight section is toward the back. And then I'll put the bracket here. This goes right behind the ABS sensor. This is a tight squeeze, so I've got a 12mm ratcheting wrench that I'll use. I'm going to do my best not to drop any bolts here. Bolt goes right through that hole and then gets reinserted. It just came out. There's a washer on this bolt and I'm putting it over the bracket so the bracket will sit flush against the fender. And this little bracket you're installing actually has a tail on it that sits down against the ABS bracket, positions it perfectly. All you got to do is just make sure the bottom's touching. I'm actually putting a little forward force on this pin to make sure it's in the right position, and then just tighten the bolt back down. It's that simple. Now the other side. All right, we'll just repeat the process here on the right or passenger side. And here's a little closer look at the passenger side bracket. You can see it angles down more here, it's more perpendicular here, and this sits right there perfectly. Now for the lower bracket, I have a hybrid model, so that's going to sit a little differently, but it will still work, and I can show you how. So on the hybrid, you've got this little reservoir right here. This bracket actually mounts right where this bolt here toward the front of the vehicle is. So I will take this bolt off, just pull the reservoir out a little bit. I might need to loosen up the other side some, and then this should drop in right behind the reservoir, and then I can tighten everything back down with the factory bolt. This is a very tight fit. I need a deeper socket. Now that I have a deep well socket, this should fit a little better. It's still not perfect, but it will work. Very tight squeeze. Let me show you a quick top-down view here so you can see where we're at. So you've got the coolant reservoir right here. The bolt that I just took out was right there. And this should be able to pull out some. I will need to loosen the other side, but I should be able to pull that out just away from the fender well a little bit, get the bracket right in behind there, and then reattach that to get this going. I do have enough wiggle room with it right now. I can get this in behind here. So it goes just like this. The bolt goes through here. There's a little kind of pin that sticks out, lines with a slot in the side of the fender. There we go. Now tighten it down. Like I like to say, tight is tight. Next step is to actually install the hood struts. This is a very straightforward install. Bottom end snaps right on here. Yep, it just snaps right on. And this will snap on there when the hood is a little bit higher. So we'll just rest this here. I'll do the same thing on the other side. This just snaps right on. It's a little difficult position here. There we go. All right, now you drop the prop rod. Snap the other end onto the other bracket. There's one side. And the one side is enough to hold the hood up. You go up a little higher. Get that aligned. And done. We are installed. And with that, the hood struts are installed. I no longer need the hood prop. Simple as that. Let me show you opening it. I love this upgrade. This is fantastic. Excellent product. Very simple, straightforward install. Highly recommended. Use the code WrenchWithMatt between now and December 1st to get 25% off your order. After December 1st, that's their Black Friday sale. After December 1st, you can still get 18% off with my code WrenchWithMatt. I'll have the link in the description and more detail there. Thank you so much for watching. Love the upgrade. Love the fact I don't need to use a hood prop anymore. Have a great day. We'll catch you in the next video.